Hey guys, I'm Phil Town. Are holidays a good time to start investing or no? Watch this video for my thoughts. Yeah, sometimes I get a question about whether the holidays in particular are a good time to start investing, or whether because of the pressure of the holidays, it's just wait and then pick it up later. It's a really interesting question because what it's kind of saying is there's two facets to the holidays. First, we get all wrapped up in them. We're spending a lot of money during that time period. And on the other hand, we have time, right? So here's what I would suggest. We don't try to get in a hurry to invest. We're never in a hurry. In fact, I would say this investing strategy is laziness bordering on sloth. Kind of occurs to me here. We base all of what we do on being very, very patient and very slow to act. Now, when we act aggressively, right? We're gonna get right in there when it's time. But consider the holidays a time that's kind of like a gift. It's a gift to your family. Be there with your family. It's a gift to you because you have time now to sit down and just pick up, I don't know, a magazine about what you're interested in. What are your hobbies? What do you like to do? I mean, this holiday, I might go up and see my kids in Montana, and we might go snowboarding, which means there are public companies involved, right? There are public companies that own ski resorts, public companies that own snowboard manufacturers, public companies that own ski gear, public companies that own condos. It's all right there for you guys. So use this holiday not to, kind of force a discipline on yourself to do something you're not excited about doing yet. Spend the time with the family, enjoy the holidays, and then use a little of that extra time to just start to go down into that 1 inch wide, mile deep canyon of what you are passionate about. Well, that's it for this week's video. If you're new here, or if you found this helpful, just subscribe to our channel for more education like this on a weekly basis.